Alright, today we got a Jeep back in the shop. You might watch the old video. I did the PPF on the hood on this, the door sills, around the windshield. Today it's back. He couldn't find mud flaps that would fit this because he's got the rock sliders on it. So he wants me to do PPF from somewhere in here. I think I'm going to use the bottom, this vent behind the fender here. And then I'm going to go across, straight across, something like that. Both sides. Just finished washing it. He had some tar on it. I'm gonna clay bar it still. I just finished taking there's tar on both sides off. And then, yeah, he's hoping still he can find mud flaps because he's getting rock chips on here, but we're gonna protect his paint for now. It'll be a good step. I think that's about it for now. I'm gonna clay bar that and we're gonna make a masking tape line so I can find where I wanna put it at, and then I'll get to see. I think I'm just gonna kind of cut around, make an oval around the Jeep, something like that. I was thinking originally taking it off, but I don't know. I don't really want to mess with where it is, and my tape's a little thicker, I think, and it only has like 1,000 or 2 kilometers on it, so 6,000, but still, it's a new vehicle. I don't want to start messing with emblems, unless he was taking right off, I guess. All right, so I had a bit of a struggle trying to figure out how I wanted to put the GoPro on stuff. And the mic didn't want to work, but we're finally back to it. I got it clay barred. Get my wipe down with soap here. I'll go over it with alcohol. And we'll get a masking tape line going. Get that on there. Alright, going over it with alcohol now. Just cleaned up. Alright, we're rolling, Maddie. Just at the bottom of this vent. Something like that. You think, does that look level? That looks pretty good, eh? Yeah. So then to do the other side, I'll just measure down from the lock. I'll do it even to that. Which piece do I want to do first, eh? Should I be lazy and just do this first? Yeah, we're gonna start with something simple first. Measuring tape. 16.5. And we'll make it 3 inches. Just gonna start with this little piece in the bottom here. We have to cut that corner off there, but it's no big deal. Just use a pair of tweezers or something, pull it out and cut. But we'll continue on for now. We'll let that dry a bit. Alright, next, which piece should I do? What do you think, Maddie? What's that? Think this is gonna work good or what? Yeah. Use masking tape, make a pattern. Something like that. Just might work, Maddie. What do you think? No? Piece of shit?
It should work, I think. I don't know though.
Yeah, me either, really. Who does it? Anyways, does anyone know? Does anybody even know? It looks like it's gonna go a little lower than I originally planned, but whatever. Doesn't matter too much as long as it's straight. Right, Matt?
That's right, Jesse. Looking right on, brother.
That one pretty good. Alright, so for this piece, I'm just taping it on there. And I'm just going to kind of trace at the edge of the door. And then cut that back a little smaller sort of thing. And then I'm going to have to trace it on the hinge here also. The hinge is going to be a tough one. I think I'm going to need more people.
I really like this hat, buddy.
Yeah,
Thanks
awesome.
again, man.
No problem, man.
It was time for a new hat too, so you kind of, it's like you,
Perfect, yeah.
it's like you knew, man.
I didn't, I swear.
Cause that other hat was getting old.
Alright, I think that's pretty well that. Cut this fucker. Got the big main piece cut, ready to install. Once I got my pattern perfected, I traced another one for the other side, so that side would be ready to go. Just gotta slap it on. So yeah, now once I get this one on, I just got this front little piece, and this side is, it's not a wrap, but it's a PPF, I guess. That's a wrap. Alright, so we'll get this on there. Just finished cleaning it. Probably should have did this middle piece I did first last, because now it's getting soaked with water again. We're trying to let it dry, but if I redo it, it's not much anyways. It's a good kind of warm-up piece. Well, that's looking pretty good. Okay, so I got the last piece all masked. I'm just on tracing it out here. I'm going to remember the bottom of this little tape line here is my pocket edge, not that. Yes, right here, top edge, not that there. Alright, I think I'm good on that. Now just to peel it off, I reckon it. Should have used more tape just to kind of help with this. Hold it together more. But it should be fine. As long as I'm careful. There we go. There's our pattern. I'll lay it on the glass board. Get some more PPF out, throw it on there. Kind of don't want to move the PPF around a bunch, like I'm gonna spray water on that, because then you kind of lose your marker line and then you're back to the start. Nope. That was just a dream. Alright, let's get this last piece on this side done.
What's up, Jesse?
Not much.
Can I let Min in?
In here?
Yeah.
No.
No? Okay. Well, she's out peeing anyway. That's why I asked, because I wasn't sure.
Yeah, I don't want any dog here.
That's true, eh? How goes the battle, buddy?
Good, I just about got this side done.
That's good. Right on. Right back, buddy.
Alright, man.
She was thinking the weather's crappy out here.
What the fuck we doing, eh,
I
man?
seen it in her face. She's like, what are we doing, Matt? She just got all excited because I put my coat on.
Yeah. Well, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, I think that looks good.